If you're newer to yoga and you've heard the term vinyasa and you're like, what does vinyasa mean anyway? Here are the 4 different definitions of the word vinyasa. Vinyasa means to place in a special way so that the postures are placed mindfully one after the other for a particular reason. The second meaning of the word vinyasa is to link your movement to your breath. A vinyasa class will have a movement on an inhale and a movement on an exhale. Vinyasa is also a type of class. It is a type of yoga class that moves dynamically with the breath. And finally, in a vinyasa yoga class, you will find a set of 4 poses that are linked together mindfully with the breath. That is plank pose, chaturanga, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. So this is a vinyasa. Plank pose, chaturanga, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. You don't know till you know. And now you know.